Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stitch this beautiful full circular sleeve, full cutting and stitching, and this lace neckline. So let's start with the cutting first. Here I have 1.5 meter fabric and I'm going to fold it in a half. So this is the front side inside, right, 35 inches long. So here I mark it. I'm taking shoulders and I'm taking little bit more than 7 inches because my fabric is very fringy, and here I'm going to leave it 3/4 inches for the shoulder, and from that point I'm going to take 6.5 inches of shoulder point. Which is 6.5 inches, and here I'm going to mark the neck width, which I'm going to take 3 inches, and this point I'm going to match it with the neck point, and from here I'm going to take chest, which is 36, and from the top I'm going to measure 13 inches, which is the waist point, and I'm going to keep it loose because it's a summer dress, and I'm going to match this point with the chest, and from the top at 21 inches I'm going to mark the hip point, and the hip is 20 inches, and here I'm going to match it with the chest, with the waist point here, and this I'm going to give it a little bit curve to cut it, and here I'm going to cut the and here I'm going to make a cut. And here I'm going to join these and this, and I'm going to give it a circle shape. And here I'm going to separate it. And this is how it looks. And now I'm going to cut armhole. I'm going to separate, and here I'm going to fold it, here I'm going to cut my armhole. I will leave here 4 inches, and my shoulder I've cut it 6.5, and from here I will cut 7 inches, mark it 7, and I will cut it a little bit round shape like this. So this is how it will look. This is 3 inches, and here I'm going to take it 5 inches deep, and I'm going to give it a little round shape. And here my neck is done, and I'm going to give it armhole depth as well, because this is just a tunic, so I'm not going to give it a suit shape, just very little armhole shape, like this is less than half inches. So neck facing, I will cut it a little bigger because I want to make it a piping as well. So here I'm going to keep it 2 inches. So this will be my front neck piping, and I'm going to measure 3 inches from here, and I want the back neck to be 4 inches deep, and I give it a little round shape, and I'm going to cut it. So this is the back neck I have.